How to get desktop mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari helps to browse the internet, access websites, and manage tabs and bookmarks. Then, go to the search bar and type in apple.com. Once the page loads, tap on the left icon as shown. From the menu that appears, tap on the three dots icon on the bottom right corner. From the page actions, tap on Request Desktop Website. The page will automatically reload, presenting the full desktop version of the site with all its features. You can now browse the site with all the features and layout of its desktop counterpart. Following these steps, you can easily get desktop mode on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.